Cinquantaine. Let's Cinquantaine. I don't know how to say that word, but meets the Golden Wedding, I believe. Really cool piece of music by Gabriel Murray, and it's going to be a lot of the eighth notes and staccatos in this one. So let me break this one down for you. Here's our first job. We're going to label the sections. So in the beginning we have something called an A section. That's kind of like our first paragraph. So you're just going to practice from the beginning to there. Right here, write the big letter B on your paper, and that'll be your B section. And then at measure 25, write A again. And I'll explain that in a second. Now that you did that, because you're all such good students, we're going to practice just those little sections at a time. So let's work on our A section. Our A section has that main theme that we hear in the beginning and end of the song. So it's two parts to our song. Our A section has slurs and staccatos, so we want to make sure we're long, short, short, short. Long, short, short, short. Okay? Make sure you get those in. And then we have our eighth notes. So try that first part, that first box with me. 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That part's going to happen a lot, so make sure you get that. The next box is from here. So here we're going to have that new note, the A. Since our hands aren't on thumbs on C, thumb is on D, we get the pinky on A. So here we can start that new note. Hard one. So you should pause the video and try that. Pause. You didn't pause it, that was me just frozen in time. Okay, so at that point we're going to go back to the beginning of the song. So here the double dots mean repeat. We go back to there. Second time through, we don't take number 1 because that's the first time. We do number 2. So make sure the second time you play the song, you skip over all this stuff and you go to number 2. Okay? The B section is at measure 17. Let me explain that to you. So these 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 to 21, are going to be a lot like the next 4 measures. So just learn this first, and then we'll add the next part. Practice that a couple times. Get that solid. Okay? The next part sounds exactly like that, just different notes. Something called transposing, my friends. So, take that from me, and if you practice those little parts like that, you'll get the song quite easily because it's all just little sections. Practice the first line, practice the second line, and then practice the 4 measures at 17 and the 4 measures at 21. You're done with the piece. Practice well, you'll get it. Take that, believe me, I have a tie on. I'm professional. Alright, take it easy.